Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a task on ClickUp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to create a task on ClickUp, you just simply have to open your ClickUp application at first, and after opening the ClickUp application you will see this My List option at the second. Just simply tap into My List. And after coming into this list tab, you just simply have to tap into this plus icon at the bottom right. Just simply tap into that and then just simply name your task. And you can also add a description into your task and also add dates. Then after that, just simply tap into this create button. And after doing this, your task will successfully be created into ClickUp. By following these very easy steps, you can also create your task on ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.